started this entire situation off, okay? I'm standing next to this guy. He turns towards me and he sneezes like this. He goes, "Phew!" I looked at him and I went, "God bless you." Yeah, I said it like that. God bless you. Which, you know, is God bless you, but it kind of sounded like cover your mouth. Guy looks at me and very condescending, he goes, yeah, I'm an atheist. I'm trying to be polite. I don't know you're an atheist, right? And even if I did, what am I supposed to say when an atheist sneezes? When you die, nothing happens.